Dang, yours are dirty. With this Bebird tool, you could check your ears, nose, and mouth. It has all these accessories that you can switch out. The carrying case, all these little tools. You have metal, plastic, tweezers, you have scoops. They have the rubber silicone on them. This is the tool itself. The part on top unscrews, so all these other little parts could screw in. You have the little dome head, and these right here are the sticky tips, and these are the sponge heads. This is the case. This piece goes into here. This is for the tweezers and tongue depressor right here. You have the nose and the ear, which is a little protective sleeve, and all this stuff that you could do with it. Make sure you download the app and connect to the device. Not only does this little device record, but it also records the audio. So that's pretty crazy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.